Hello friends. In a quaint little village nestled among rolling hills and lush fields, there lived a young girl named Maya. She was a dreamer, with eyes that sparkled like stars, and her heart soared with the ambition of one day becoming an air hostess. But in this small village, where opportunities were scarce, Maya's dreams were often met with laughter and skepticism. One day, as Maya gazed out of her classroom window, her teacher, Mrs. Patel, noticed the wistful look on her face. Mrs. Patel, a kind but realistic woman, approached Maya and said, "Maya, it's wonderful to dream, but you must be practical. You come from a poor family in a small village. Becoming an air hostess is something reserved for those who have more." Maya's heart sunk, and she felt her dreams slipping through her fingers like grains of sand. But little did she know that her uncle, a wise and gentle monk named Kavi, had overheard the conversation. He approached Maya and said, "My dear, don't let the world's limitations define your dreams. Let me tell you a story." With rapt attention, Maya listened as her uncle spoke of the bumblebee. "You see, Maya, according to the laws of science, the bumblebee should not be able to fly. Its body is too heavy for its tiny wings, and its flight seems impossible. But in reality, every day, we witness bumblebees soaring through the air. They defy the laws of physics with their determination." Maya's eyes widened with understanding, and a glimmer of hope returned to her heart. Inspired by her uncle's words, she made a decision. She would leave her village, work tirelessly, and follow her dream of becoming an air hostess, no matter how improbable it seemed. Maya bid farewell to her family and her beloved village, setting out for the bustling city where dreams took flight. She took on part-time jobs to support her education, working as a waitress during the day and attending school at night. The path was arduous, and there were moments when she felt like giving up, but she always remembered her uncle's story of the bumblebee and pressed on. Years passed, and Maya's hard work paid off. She completed her education, excelling in her studies. Her dreams were within reach, and she could almost taste the sweet victory of becoming an air hostess. The world had underestimated her, but Maya had shown that determination could move mountains. Finally, the day arrived when Maya donned her crisp uniform, a radiant smile on her face. She had achieved what many had thought impossible. She stepped onto the airplane, her heart filled with pride and gratitude. As the plane took off, Maya looked out the window, remembering her village, her uncle's wise words, and a bumblebee that had taught her to believe in the impossible. Maya's journey from a small village to the skies as an air hostess was a testament to the power of dreams and unwavering determination. She had shown the world that with faith in oneself, even the heaviest dreams could take flight, just like the bumblebee that defied the laws of science and soared through the open sky. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.